Hello YouTube, welcome back to Joe Catrapalia talking about building a shipping container home. That's it today. No tiny home, none of the other stuff. Guess it's been like that for a while. I'll give you an update on the tiny home maybe later this week. We'll see. But anyway, I'm going to talk a little bit about using a metal roof, show you some video of the progress we've made, and just sort of what we decided to do. Let me see what we got. Oh, that one there. So first, I think I had already shot this last time I did a video, but I didn't show you. Just showing a little bit. We got the electrical, I don't even know what we call this, but we got that hooked up. This is really just the temporary one. Keep doing that every time. And so we have to just get this on here, and then the power company will hook this up so we can have power while we're doing the rest of construction, and then we'll actually get a permanent one that will be fully permitted, not just this temporary. And so that's all for that one. Just a quick little video, but I've got a little bit more footage of the inside. It's not going to look like a whole bunch of progress from my last video, but because we've spent more time on the roof, but we do have the layout done, right, of this one. And so where I was over there was the bedroom. This is going to be the hallway bathroom. You can see the footprint. So this will be the doorway into the second bedroom. And then over here, we've got the closet starting to get framed out as well. So just let you see, this is like that. This will be the wall in the bedroom, this bedroom, and the bathroom. And so none of these bedrooms are very large. We intended to be able to fit a king-size bed, but just two tiny nightstands. Looking at it now, I'm not sure. In real life, it seems like maybe that's ambitious. I don't know. This is the third bedroom, and then on the far wall in this bedroom, right here, is where the bathroom's going to go, and you can see the line here. And so all of these, one of the things that we're doing to save a little space, we're going to use barn doors on all of them. Our plans originally called for just regular swinging doors in some of the spots. We got a great source for getting these barn doors a lot cheaper than we expected. And so we're just going to go ahead and do that. And then the other thing, just wanted to point out, this is what we've been doing a lot of. We've got all these metal bars that were I-beams that are welded across the top here. These are going to create the base of our roof support structure. Oh, come on, there we go. Oh, did you remember to hit subscribe and to like and that sort of stuff? I think some of you are forgetting, although, wow, 65, can you believe it? That seems like way more people than I actually know. So probably a couple people subscribed by mistake, but I'm okay with that. So anyway, I just want to show you the type of roof panel that we chose. It is very much typical of more commercial building. This is saving us a ton of money compared to any of the residential roof options. We still get a 25-year warranty on this. It won't be this color. I think we actually went with a white, or maybe an off-white, but a light color, and that's supposed to help with it's got a coating, and it's supposed to help with the sunlight and the heat, reflecting some of that so you get less heat. We're already pretty shaded, so we're trying to do a lot because if you remember, I'm keeping this as a short-term rental. It's going to go on Airbnb, VRBO, those types of sites. And because of that, I'm going to be paying the electric bill. That's why we're going to go overboard with insulation. We're going to do this on the roof. We've got a lot of things like that. I should probably talk more about that because we've actually got a great subcontractor who is very focused on, he does basically all the things that are energy conserving in the home. And sort of looks at them as a complete system. So I should probably get some of his stuff and show you that, and I'll plan on doing that. Anyway, that's it for today. Just a quick video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, hit the bell. I think the bell, I don't really understand how that works different from subscribe, but I hear other YouTubers say hit that bell, so go ahead and do that. Sorry, forgot to throw in all my mistakes this time, but anyway, until next time, I'll keep making mistakes so you don't have to.